Trauma. It's a word that sends chills down your spine. A word that signifies urgency, complexity, and the very real possibility of life or death. As healthcare professionals, we know that trauma respects no one. It can strike anyone, anytime, anywhere. The first hour after a traumatic injury is critical. We call this the golden hour. During this window, rapid assessment, decisive action, and expert care can make all the difference. Lives hang in the balance and seconds count. That's why mastering trauma care is non-negotiable. We need to be sharp, we need to be prepared, and we need to be confident in our ability to act decisively when it matters most. But trauma care is a constantly evolving field. New research, new techniques, and new guidelines emerge all the time. It's our duty to stay ahead of the curve, to continuously learn and refine our skills. The Advanced Trauma Life Support (ATLS) program has been the gold standard in trauma care for decades, and with each edition, it evolves, incorporating the latest evidence and best practices to equip us with the knowledge and skills needed to save lives. The ATLS 10th edition brings significant updates and refinements. These updates are not just incremental changes, they represent a paradigm shift in how we approach trauma care. That's why it is not enough to be familiar with previous editions. We need to dive deep into the 10th edition and embrace its changes. This is where Master the ATLS 10th edition, Essential MCQs by Dr. Atef Ahmed comes in. This isn't just another textbook, it's your personalized study guide, your exam companion, and your trusted resource to conquer the complexities of the ATLS 10th edition. It's the bridge that connects theoretical knowledge with real-world application, ensuring that you're not just prepared for the exam, but for the critical moments that demand your expertise. So what makes this book an indispensable tool for any serious trauma care provider? First and foremost, it's comprehensive. It covers all the core concepts and principles of the ATLS 10th edition, leaving no stone unturned. From initial assessment and resuscitation to the management of specific injuries, this book equips you with the knowledge you need. But it doesn't stop there. This book understands that true mastery goes beyond memorization. It's about understanding, applying, and analyzing. That's why it's packed with exam-style multiple-choice questions, MCQs. These MCQs are strategically designed to mirror the format and difficulty level of the actual ATLS exam. Think of it as a mock exam before the real exam. Regular practice with these MCQs will not only familiarize you with the exam format, but also sharpen your critical thinking and decision-making skills under pressure. And for those moments when you need a little extra help, don't worry, the book provides detailed explanations for every single MCQ. These explanations don't just tell you the right answer, they break it down, providing insights into the underlying concepts and helping you understand the why behind the what. This book is your ticket to joining the elite ranks of highly skilled trauma care providers. It's a valuable resource for a wide range of medical professionals. Medical students, laying a strong foundation in trauma care is essential. This book will give you a head start in your trauma rotations and prepare you for future exams. Residents, the demands of residency are immense. This book will streamline your study process, helping you excel in your trauma rotations and ace your ATLS exams. Physicians, whether you're a seasoned trauma surgeon or a physician who encounters trauma patients in your practice, staying up to date with the latest ATLS guidelines is critical. Nurses are the backbone of trauma care. This book will empower you to provide exceptional care and advocate for your patients effectively. Physician assistants, as a physician assistant, you play a crucial role in the trauma team. This book will enhance your knowledge and skills, allowing you to provide high-quality care. No matter where you are in your medical journey, master the ATLS 10th edition. Essential MCQs is your trusted companion. It's designed to elevate your knowledge, boost your confidence, and prepare you to face any trauma challenge that comes your way. Section 5. Trauma Mastery, from the classroom to the trauma bay. The true measure of a trauma care professional lies not just in their knowledge, but in their ability to apply that knowledge in the heat of the moment. When a trauma patient arrives, there's no time for hesitation, no room for second guessing. This book bridges the gap between theory and practice. By working through the multiple choice questions and understanding the rationales behind the answers, you'll develop a deep, intuitive understanding of trauma care principles. This translates into improved confidence in your decision-making. When faced with a complex trauma case, you'll be able to quickly assess the situation, prioritize interventions, and deliver timely, life-saving care. The result? Improved trauma care outcomes. By mastering the ATLS 10th edition, you're not just enhancing your knowledge, you're directly contributing to saving lives. Section 6. Meet your guide, Dr. Atef Ahmed. The author, Dr. Atef Ahmed, is not just an author. He's a seasoned trauma expert with years of experience in the field. He brings a wealth of knowledge to this book, having trained countless medical professionals in the art and science of trauma care. Dr. Ahmed's passion for teaching shines through in his clear, concise writing style. He understands the challenges that medical professionals face, and he's crafted this book to be your trusted guide on your journey to ATLS mastery. Section 7. Unlocking Success, your guide to using the book. This book is designed to be your flexible, on-the-go study companion. Here's how you can maximize its benefits. Start early. Don't wait until the last minute to cram. Give yourself ample time to absorb the material and work through the MCQs. Active reading. Highlight key points, take notes, and actively engage with the material. The more you interact with the content, the better you'll retain it. MCQ practice. Make it a habit to regularly work through the MCQs. Aim to understand not just the correct answers but also the reasoning behind them. Review your mistakes. Don't shy away from your mistakes. Revisit the questions you got wrong and understand why you made those errors. This is where true learning happens. Section 8. Real results, voices from the trauma front line. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what others are saying about Master the ATLS 10th edition. Essential MCQs. This book was a game changer for my ATLS preparation. The MCQs were spot on and the explanations were incredibly helpful. Dr. Emily Carter, surgical resident. I felt much more confident going into the ATLS exam after using this book. It's an invaluable resource for any trauma care provider. Nurse John Miller, trauma ICU doctor. Ahmed's book is a must-have for anyone serious about mastering trauma care. Highly recommended. Dr. Sarah Lee, emergency medicine physician. These are just a few examples of the countless success stories. With dedication and the right resources, you too can join the ranks of confident, competent trauma care providers. Section 9. Step up your trauma game. In the high-stakes world of trauma care, there's no room for complacency. Every second counts and lives are on the line. It's our duty to be the best we can be, to hone our skills, and to stay ahead of the curve. Master the ATLS 10th edition. Essential MCQs is your secret weapon. It's the bridge between knowledge and action, the key to unlocking your full potential as a trauma care provider. Don't wait. Invest in yourself, invest in your patients, and invest in the future of trauma care. Order your copy today and step up your trauma game.